Hello everyone, welcome to NG's Corner for Nurses. Hope all of you are doing well. Let's start the part 3 of the basics of ECG interpretation. Today we will discuss the heart rate calculation on ECG. This is the outline of today's session. ECG graph paper is a heat sensitive paper. It is composed of horizontal and vertical lines with light lines and dark lines that intersect to form small and large squares respectively. So in the picture we can see the horizontal measurements reflects the units of time, that is second, and vertical measurements reflects the measurement of voltage or the measurement of amplitude. Then the unit is millivolt. Let's see the small boxes. Each small square equals to 1 millimeter by 1 millimeter. 0.04 seconds in width and 0.1 millivolt in height. And each large square equals 5 millimeter by 5 millimeter, 0.2 seconds in width and 0.5 millivolt in height. Standard speed for recording ECG is 25 millimeter per second. A faster recording speed, that is 50 millimeter per second, is occasionally used to visualize wave deflections better. Next, coming to the calculation of heart rate from ECG graphs. We know the heart rate is calculated as the number of heartbeats per minute. And this calculation of heart rate can be done by two methods, R-R method and 6-second method. R-R method is used for regular heart rhythm and 6-second method is used for irregular heart rhythm. Now what is heart rhythm? An ECG records the heart's electrical signals which control its contractions. Rhythm describes the regularity and origin of these signals, whether the beats occur at consistent intervals or not. If it is in consistent intervals, then the heart rhythm is regular. And if they are spaced irregularly, that means the rhythm is irregular. First is R-R method. R-R method is used for regular heart rhythms. The formula is heart rate equals to 1500 divided by number of small square in between two R wave. Now the question is, from where we got this 1500? We know for one small box the time is 0.04 second. So 0.04 second equals to one small box. 1 second equals to 1 divided by 0.04 small boxes. And for 60 second, it is 1 divided by 0.04 into 60. That means equals to 1500 small boxes. That means in 1 minute, the count of small boxes should be 1500. Let's see the example of R-R method. This is the ECG strip with regular heart rhythm. We know for regular heart rhythm in R-R method, the formula of heart rate calculation is 1500 divided by number of small square in between two R wave. So here you can count the number of small square in between two R waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So 1500 divided by 20 equals to 75 beats per minute. So here the heart rate is 75 beats per minute. Next is 6-second method for irregular heart rhythm. Here the formula for heart rate calculation is the number of QRS complex in 6 seconds and multiply it with 10. Now how we will calculate this 6 second? For that we have to know how many large boxes will come in 6 seconds. We know for one large box the time is 0.2 second. So 0.2 second equals to one large box. 1 second equals to 1 by 0.2 large boxes. And for 6 second it is 1 divided by 0.2 into 6 equals to 30 large boxes. So in 6 seconds there will come 30 large boxes. Let's see the example of 6-second method. It is a strip with irregular heart rhythm. Here we can see the interval between each QRS complex is not same. That means the heart rhythm is irregular. We know the formula of heart rate calculation in 6-second method, that is count the number of QRS complex in 6 seconds and multiply it with 10. In this strip, let's see how many QRS complexes are there within 6 seconds or within 30 large boxes. Here the 30 large boxes are highlighted. Now count the QRS complexes within these 30 large boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 QRS complex in 6 seconds. So 6 will be multiplied with 10 equals to 60 beats per minute. So the heart rate is 60 beats per minute. The next part of this topic will coming soon. If this content is useful for you, then please put a like and share it with others. And for getting more videos like this, you can subscribe my YouTube channel NG's Corner for nurses. And for any suggestions or for any queries, you are most welcome to comment. Thank you for watching.